friend was
But
telling
they
me that
don't
one
have
time-
wings,
one time
remember?
her husband got bitten
They
by a
don't have
pelican on
wings,
the knee.
remember? They do have wings, silly.
Who doesn't have wings, Zoe?
Those birds. That bird.
The birds don't have wings. Birds have wings.
Huh.
Some birds have wings, some birds don't. Right, Papa?
I think all birds have wings. Not all birds can fly, though.
That's right. That's right. I'm corrected. I'm stand corrected.
Penguins. Penguins can't fly.
Mm-hmm. Peacocks can't fly.
Mm.
Well, short distances, I think they can. They get up in trees and stuff.
And yeah, I've seen.
What do you think, Zoe?
In trees.
Mm.
Good. Now there are only 2 more left.
There's only 2 left?
Yeah. 2. Oh look, a nest right there.
A what?
A nest.
A nest?
Yes.
Oh, look. A little nest for birds.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Here's a little bird right
Flamingos
there.
can't fly. But they do have wings.
Flamingos can fly.
Is that
Big,
true?
I
little,
believe so.
big, little,
I
big,
understand correctly.
little, big, little.
What are you talking about? What's big and little?
Those rocks.
The rocks are big and little?
Yeah.
What do you see, Eva?
dog. I've
There's
seen many
a dog in a stroller.
strollers.
Yeah. Oh, that's a very lucky dog.
Papa,
Yes.
those are the patterns.
Those are the what?
These are the patterns.
Those are patterns?
Yeah. Big, little, big, little, big, little. That's the pattern.
That is a pattern, you're right.
Mhm.
And Papa, I really just want to get down now.
Alright.
But I don't. I like to see the boards. I'm ready to get down now.
Okay, hang on. Don't go anywhere.